So I've done work to this before. Getting text messages. Okay. I've touched it up. No, I have not. I've touched this unit before. I'm gonna touch it again, so I'm gonna clean it. First with alcohol. Probably a very unnecessary step, but I don't care. They're feeding the leather gecko in the next room. His name is Barry. He's an old guy. Hold up. Frog. Frog. And I'm gonna see where I need to go. I think I need to do this. Dash. Volkswagen. And this is the newer style.
Ooh, I can't even read those.
You don't read them.
No, I'm just saying, like, what they even say on them. I can't even see.
Watch. I will show you. That's flux. That helps the solder move. Stick the wire on it. And it melts and cools to it. See? Now it's nice and stuck on there. Oops, missed it. It's on. Yellow. And then red. And they are on, see?
Messing with my eyesight. I just trying to focus on that.
Yeah, the guy at the cell phone store was surprised I didn't use a magnifying glass. Alright.
Do you care if I come over after I drop her off?
I don't care. See, look, come here. Come here.
Yeah.
This is the data. See, watch. I'm going to verify it. I read it once. And now it's going to read it again to make sure it matches. And if it does, it'll be green at the bottom. Perfect, see? Now I have all the information right here. That's the car's computer. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's where it ends. See how it's all F's? So it ends right there. Are you gonna do this when you're older? You gonna do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gonna learn how to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gonna be a little scientist.
You ready for school? No, we can't.
Yeah, don't trip. Have a nice trip. Oh? No, don't be like that. Don't be rude. Okay. So I'm gonna unplug this. Just leave this nice and gently. Right there. Unplug this. And then I'm gonna take my VVDI2. Plug it right in. I know. I operate in a state of chaos. Welcome to my world. Okay, so I wonder if I can save while prog isn't in the USB. I'm gonna do V1 Beetle. I think it saved it, okay. CVW, and it's the newer style. Let's see what happens. V1 Beetle. Just gonna hit that button. Okay. Can't recall if I have a tray. I do. What I have in the book, Meg 48s and such. And we're just gonna see what happens. There's a pin code way down there. Cool. That was a success. That was a Meg 48 because it is having me resave, so we'll do V2. And I'm just going to load it up now and see what it says. V2. And now it has 5 keys in. Pretty cool stuff. And so, now that we have done that, open that file. There it is. Let's just look up prog real quick. I am gonna clean. Wait on May. That might be really exploded. Somewhere, like some kind of idiot with no brain. There it is. See, I heard it. It's the kind of day where you realize you're really a flawed human being. Every time I plug in my prog, my tough book is like power surge at USB port or COM1, I think is what it says. And it's like yeah, it's okay. Now I think this is still nice and soldered on. True fact, that wire fell out of this guy and it's a little freaking me out. I might hot air that that tape right off, or that wrap. Alright. Just continue to write and I'm gonna hit yes. Okay, so it's showing operation success, so we currently have V2 open. We're gonna verify it against what is on our device right now. Verifying that V2 is on this device. And check success, so that is a job done.